So hello everyone. So I'm making this video at 12 to 2:34. So I wanted to discuss a really important thing with you. That most of the thing are reading books, or most of the things are preparing for examination for the NEET 2022, because we have very less time. We have to prepare each and every chapter. We have to target for 720 marks, because um, you can see the rank and the marks that people are getting and people will get in the next exam. So they are trying to get to 720 out of 720, and there are a lot of people who will get that. And if you want aims, then you have to target for 720, and before that you can't think about, you have to make a target of 720, because if you set your target higher, then most probably you can achieve your target in a better way. Like if you are targeting 720, then it might be possible that you will cross 675 or 700. Okay, and if you are targeting 600 plus, it means that you are getting 500 plus. It's about our human brain that yeah, they always try to uh, limit limit yourself. Like if you are limiting your brain to just 675 or 700, then your brain will also try to get only those marks. Okay, so if you are pushing your brain to score even 740, yeah, your brain knows that it's 720 marks exam, but you can trick your brain, you can say your brain that is 740 marks exam. So this is how you can score well. And this is a very bad strategy, I could say, but if you want aims specifically, and if you want any good college in Delhi or somewhere else, then you can follow this. Please target for 720. You can't target below that. I know the target should be achievable, and the target should feel like it's real, but your brain don't know now how much potential you have, and you also don't know how much potential you have right now. So yeah, I am doing my assignment right now because I am in fourth year in my college. So I am preparing for NEET, but I can't wholly prepare for NEET because I have to submit other assignments. But NEET can't be NEET can't go away from my head, because I can't live without physics, bio, and chemistry. I used to solve it daily. I have spent around 4 years in doing another course which is way different from physics, chemistry, and biology. It's a different course which involves gender, sociology. It's about an arts course, basically a teaching type course. So on with physics, there is no role of physics, chemistry, and biology. There is a role of mathematics in it, which has no connection with the NEET exam. So you can see the kind of dedication that I have. You always try to demotivate me in my comment section, that I used to demotivate you, or you don't like my videos. So the one thing that I wanted to share with you all is, uh, if you can't be with my worst, then you don't have to you don't have या मतलब आप मेरे साथ अगर नहीं रह सकते हो बुरे वक्त में, सो आप अच्छे वक्त में भी नहीं रह सकते हो. या राइट. सो इफ़ यू कांट टॉलरेट मी एट दिस टाइम, सो आई डोंट want you in my at my what I am saying. I am very bad in English, so please don't try to समझ जाना आप. बेसिकली मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ, हिंदी में बता रही हूँ, मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि अगर आप मेरे इस टाइम पे नहीं हो सकते हो, मेरे वीडियोस नहीं देख सकते हो, तो आप एक्सपेक्ट मत करो कि अगर मेरा नीट निकल जाता है या फिर मैं एम्स में चली जाती हूँ, तो फिर आप ही होगे जो मुझे बोलोगे दी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, you have scored well and all that, but right now you can't do it because you have an ego and attitude. Yeah, you can take I am doing something for you and I'm sharing something with you. There are a lot of there are a lot of people who have different kind of situations in their life, and they can avoid that circumstances, right? So I am doing another course due to some circumstances, but you can't force me to do what I want. want, right? So I can do whatever I want because this is my right. And YouTube is a channel on which we can post anything that I want, that we want. Like I can post any videos. If you don't like my videos, so you have the right and you have the liberty to unsubscribe my channel and go away. But you can't force me or write any bad comments with me, because that will come into the bully part. Like, you can't bully someone on chat or anything else. You can't demotivate people, right? So there is also a dislike option that has been removed by YouTube. So in comment section you can't say like that, okay? And it won't affect me anyway. You can say your words, and I have a logic for each